Welcome to the cross-cultural exchange and celebration of the Nigerian Independence Day. Today, we celebrate culture in harmony, a celebration of diversity.
Tonight, we celebrate friendship through stories, songs, and dances that unite us all.
I welcome you, our friends, the people from our students from Nigeria, and our other students and our visitors to tonight's celebration.
Let us embrace this moment of connection and learning and continue to uphold the Gula's principle of where diversity meets excellence in medicine.